AKH has gone green.
Welcome you all to AKH Eco Apparels. Meet our director, Mr. Tanveer. He is Mr. Saiful, Director Marketing. This is our front office and the lobby. You can see here our LEED Gold certification which we got in 2015. Welcome you all again. You may see our video presentation regarding the full company profile.
AKH is now going green. At Dhamrai, by the side of Dhaka-Aricha Highway on a 13-acre land, AKH has developed this eco-friendly project, strictly applying the gold category requirements of Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, LEED, which are officially prescribed by the US Green Building Council.
Now Indiga and Mr. Saif will show you around the factory for a tour.
So let's make a move to the factory. We'll start from the training center. We set this training center for two purposes. One is to train raw workers as tailors and then to train existing tailors to increase their skill and efficiency. For both the cases, we have set guidelines and the curriculum. From here, we are moving to the cut department and then the sample section. This is CAD section where all patterns and marker make taking place by using box system. No manual markers are using for cutting, as we used to get around 90% mark efficiency with our experienced CAD operators. Also, we have two auto pattern cutting machines apart from full CAD system. Next to the CAD, it is sampling. We have 35 sample tailors and they are capable to make 100 samples per day as of now. Apart from them, we have supportive staff like full-time sample cutters, QC inspectors and mechanics. All outgoing samples and patterns are subject to quality checks and records are maintaining. We are getting down to the raw material warehouse. You can see our courtyard here. This has designed to reduce the heat inside the building and reducing energy use for the same purpose thereby. We are into our raw material warehouse. As you see, we have two areas. One is for trims and the other area for fabric. Total area is 60,000 square feet. Again, we have separate area for all types of label storing and controlling. 10% of all trims are subject for quality inspection and it is happening here. This is our medical center with full-time MBBS qualified doctor and nursing staff as well. Then well-maintained separated male and female wards with beds. You can see our internal lab. All basic in-house lab tests are taking place. Fabric inspection area. Each lot of fabric consignments is subject to 10% inspection based on 4 points fabric inspection system. Apart from fabric inspection, it is regular practice to do shrinkage, shade, GSM test in the same place. You can see our bulk cutting area. Total it is 60,000 square feet area with 8 lakh pieces per month capacity. With huge area, we have the room for future expansion along with the sewing floor expansion plan. Band knife area where all small parts are reshaping exactly as per the patterns. Fusing machines. We have two weight Kanagaisa fusing machines with 90 cm feeding belt. Another 4 Hashima machines with 60 cm feeding belt. This is our daycare facility for employees' children, which includes separate area for breastfeeding mothers. We are into the one of sewing floors. Like this, we have 4 sewing floors, which are identical to each other with 8 sewing lines per floor. We may have 6 sewing floors with total 48 sewing lines at the end of the total project. Right now we have capacity of 7 lakhs pieces per month and already plan to go up to 1.2 million pieces per month with near future expansion. This is one of N-line check tables. All line out garments are checking 100% before going to either to washing or finishing. All our special machines we kept out of the sewing lines due to its size and for better utilization. For all shop floor activities, we have given written guidelines with visuals. This is one of them, how to measure. Each sewing floor got its own finishing floor. This is one of them. Starting from pressing. After pressing, it is must to go through all garments on hanger conveyor for 2 hours for moisture reduction. Then going for final checking, folding and polybagging. All garments are subject to 100% metal detection before packing. Final processing area, I mean cartoning and storing of finished goods. 10% of all finished cartons must audit every 2 hours only for packaging related issues. We are back to the main conference room. This is our product display. Starting from American Eagle, then M&S, Debenhams, Benjamin, PVH and so on. As you see, our product range varies from men to women, casual to formal, and then wash to non-wash. Most importantly, from cotton fabric to linen, and then georgette to satin fabric. We are fully comply with all the requirements of our customers on social compliance and technical. We are fully comply with local industry related laws in terms of wages, health and safety and so on. Apart from LEED certification, we are certified for BSCI, SEDEX, ISO and RAP. Thanks once more for visiting us and see you again.